them a tap bump on the internet. Stop calling my name. If you're not going to mention Akeem and anything he did, or no call Akeem name and Akeem name only.
Alright.
Yeah.
All of the woman them, come over there, come follow up Ricky Cash.
Akeem trying to clear his name.
Akeem can't clear no name, because we no born yesterday, making a name out him, mama. Shot you, go shot him in the face.
So one of them says Snow, I was Snow one. Remember? When Blam them gone send me a request coming around for ask you the truth in front of your face, cause you know, me know, Akeem know. Who wait for me?
In I comment that when my friend request.
Triple.
Not give no hype, Ivan, making a name out him, mama. It's a famous Batman that. That's a famous Batman. Come on for this, dirty Batman. That's a I feel.
Can we add Donia? Me and you go past side.
Alright, can't see much. The top logo up me thing, bro. When I logo up me thing pan here, that's why people must say me fall off, you know.
When you spam me live and say liar, liar.
When if the top logo up the
23 rows. When you spam the chat and say liar, liar.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute upon the beat and it can see upon the screen, sea creatures them out for Ivany head top because she is mentioning their name when it comes to one Niah demise. People putting at the comment section what you think about Snow Voice. Listen, myself, because I'm not gonna lie to you. Akeem not beating these allegations, you know. It is not meeting these allegations. Listen, man, say. So you don't know the thing said. Akeem been a boss up them bottom business from all long no. I know Nicholas and Snow far without no. You see, man, say. So let's hear what Nicholas is saying, and then we'll go listen to what Ivany did with Jimmy. So that's like I share the video from now, and let's get into it because Ivany said at them that's where one Niah, you know. You see, man, say.
Fuck about my name, so Ivany got blood clot up and live and talk about how much you see me having in 2015. Ivany 2015 me in a 10th grade. What the fuck you talk about, girl? 2015 me in a 10th blood clot grade, Ivany. And what them turn 24 years old. What the fuck me then at 2015, Ivany? You see me a Panama Ivany at 2015. What the fuck, girl? For just click some views, I got talk about how much murder and this and that girl on the stop call my fucking name. Stop mix me. When me down in Jamaica, me walk down the stop call my blood clot name. And mix me people come in a beg pan TikTok. Me not get no TikTok money and stop mention my fucking name. I'm tired of uno. Stop mentioning my name. Stop mentioning my name on the pan. Stop mentioning my name. Stop mentioning my name on the pan. Akeem this, know that. Wanna see me on blood clot, Akeem? My stomach sick. My stomach sick. And the people them. Stop calling my name. I don't do TikTok. I don't trouble nobody. I don't call nobody name. I don't want to call my name on the live every day on a ring. On just a rings my name so every day, night and day. My family is concerned. Them I share the things them to me and say them do not like when people them tap bump on the internet. Stop calling my name. If you're not going to mention Akeem and anything he did, or no call Akeem name and Akeem name only. Wanna stop mix me and stop calling him and stop trying to get me involved in things that I know nothing about. How about this come up on the live? It very annoying. It very annoying. It very annoying. Every tick of the tack of the every tick of the tack of the blood clot clock. Like wanna know something about me. Wanna know about me? What wanna know about me on the internet? For on the internet every day attack. Wanna know about me? Wanna don't know nothing about me? Nothing at all. Me Akeem could have Akeem a blood clot lie down with people in a bed. I suck out tongue with a rose them. If me Akeem did the have sense on know who blood clot me. On know who me. Me Akeem could have Akeem lie down with rose. I rub up with blood clot rose. On know who me. Me Akeem could have Akeem rub up with rose. On stop mentioning my name on the internet. Just stop calling my name on the internet. Stop calling my name on the blood clot internet. More and post myself. I look cute, that is it. On stop mentioning over here. I'm not a TikToker.
And now we'll listen to Ivany part because she's saying everybody talks about these dudes, but as soon as she mentions their name, they want to click the live and go in on her. You see me?
You see, they want to kill me for talk for say them a batty man.
Everybody are posting. Hold on. Everyone who come in my inbox, them said, Ivan tell you this, Ivany. You know me live comfortable. I don't know well, alright. So when you have a repost,
He ma watch me hold on. Nicholas come suck out my Mackie level 40, level 100, level AK, shot, batty hole, and pussy hole. Like on the kill Niah, you can't kill me. I'm not afraid. I don't know dirty batty man, you know, a long time batty man. You know a batty man from 6 months in a belly. You know a batty man from 6 months in a belly. From when mama breed it in a belly, and when mama take fucking her pussy hole, the cock rise go through fear pussy and go up in a phone look a batty hole. You know a batty man before she even give birth. That's how long you know a batty man. You can't do me nothing. I'm not afraid that you can't put no fear in me. I really want to do me something in America and give me my papers quick, because this is immigration something I really take long. Come, dirty batty man. You a batty man. You and Akeem and Javi are batty man. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every year, every month, every blood clot day, every hour, every second, every minute. You know a batty man Saturday, Sunday, Monday. You know a batty man pan Christmas, Easter, New Year's. You know a batty man night. You know a batty man a day. You know a batty man when rain a fall. You know a batty man when sun a blood clot shine. You know a batty man in a every 20 this, every 30 that. You know a batty man in this generation, and you will be batty man in the next generation. Even when Armageddon come and God a come for the land, you know a still batty man. Yeah, no batty man, and it can't change. Foreign and yard and abroad, you know a batty blood clot man. Toddler stage, newborn stage, teenager stage, adult stage, old stage, you know, still batty man. You know, a batty man living, you know, a batty man dead in 6 feet deep under, you know, still, you know, all the blood clot when the grave, all you know, bone the under the ground 6 feet deep, you know, still batty man. What kind of video all alive the woman there, the man there talk?
Every tick of the tuck of the blood clot. Like want to know something about me.
Liar, you are liar. A liar, man. Alright.
Every day attack.
Alright, chat. We could put a puzzle together. We have put a puzzle together. Tell me if this no sound fishy. Guys, we need one interstellar chat. Tell me if this no sound fishy, right? Everybody come on the internet come talk with them about the man. We never see Nicholas come out and defend Akeem. Be real. We never see Snow come out to the max and defend Akeem. Or want clear up film name. Be real. We not talk about them long time there. Since Akeem them come on TikTok, there has been so much people who class them say them a batty man. So much rankato. Mumbo class, triple. You know hear nobody come out and defend them.
I would have defended that big gift. What
Why
did me get?
spill the tea when know them so everybody want come kill me.
Bumbo class.
That triple.
Yo, I want Ricky Cash funny up. Bumbo class.
Triple me team.
One Ricky Cash funny up. One Ricky. Bumbo class.
Damn them call you.
One Ricky Cash. Money God, big up yourself.
Damn them the pan side.
One Ricky Cash. One Cash funny up.
That use it triple. Why
one
now?
Ricky Cash funny up.
Why
Enough
now
cash
me?
for
You want everybody want come for me now. It look like me lick a nail for the hammer.
Ivany, listen to me. Me have a rich man figure. When I'm a dog, them over here, dog, a millionaire, them when I rich. In name Ricky Cash. Follow him. Them I give to you want. Them a money, them a money unlimited. Ask anybody about them a money.
Yeah.
Rascal. A Rose Rice them a money buy woman.
Really?
Ask anybody about the dog of Florida. Dog rich. Yeah man, that this if you talk boy Ivany, money man. You see them the dirty Yankee the way I mix with, they can't help you. This a man you want to mix with, they can take care of you.
Ricky, you buy one Chanel bag?
Me ever tell her we buy Rose Rice. That's what me no want to talk. Because I don't know if you want in business to go there. Yeah. But Ivany, me know you like that type of man. Reach out to him.
Snow reach where?
Ivany, me know I want to back him.
Me end up turn down your life because
Yeah, all Birkin and Chanel dog by Birkin and Chanel.
Again! He wanted that. Snow dep on your life. Snow, if you're dep on the life, let the truth set you free. That's it.
Ivany, come on for the batty boy, them name no man. Oh God, you. Ivany, me I give somebody to help you. Ivany, can't with you, man. Oh God, you. Ivany, Lord, the batty man, them alone, me go on, man.
They never trouble me, no.
Ivany, listen to me. Right now, Ivany, right now, me the plan for them. Me I buy one belt, and me I buy 2 teddy bear, and me go beat them every day till me take them down. Me call the dog, ask him if he wear vice note. Like, I wait for the vice note for contact. Ivany, you feel me come with this a bumbo club vice note, with them I organize up a crime with Niah with them vice tonight. If you end up me see people still support them, me come off a TikTok, you. Come
off, cause yes, my money me now.
No, Ivany, me just say. Then go take him down once me come with the recording. Come have a recorded with him organize up a chat.
Don't you call we and don't you request off. I go up and blame them, and blame them and take them down, you know.
Ivany, you know, we don't make money. We don't need yam crutches doing that. Doing that one yam crutches.
I lie them I tell cause don't you and I'm match with.
Doing that moving stinking crutches for yourself. Thinking batty man. Where's the one? You play one more you want him.
Come and send him match. Come and play.
Dirty Ziggy they had.
No, send him match.
You can't send because somebody did it.
Oh God. Yeah, that me say they want to kill me, man. Say me know him. Right now, I forgot picture me, I'm afraid, man. That's that.
Ivany, sorry boy, I say know where you live.
Get my 3 points at Jamaica, you know. Come get here abroad, you know.
So, Ivany, I won't say know where you live, that you say? Ivany, you know, say team over the same, man. We have dog on the Georgia side, can't come watch off it.
How about him and them powerful?
Not that way, we're straight.
If
they're powerful, they would get rid of me already, man. Me will provoke them, so. Remember say, I do them worse, you know. We are do to them a joke thing. Remember me make them.
They want, I start them clear out Niah.
Niah thing different. Niah and I get away, man, and I get a hungry belly and waste. At that reach.
Mama
say then the boy they have blood clot all up. I mean, don't turn say them broke and walkless.
And Nicholas kill them.
People, send it Rose. Everybody send it Rose. Everybody.
Bad man, I am Jay a player here. You see your big waist, suck pussy, butty boy people over there. Uno no call me name, dog. You see it? Cause you get ugly charge here, you don't even need. Uno top call me name, brother. Uno play no much. Uno top call me name, brother.
22 Rose chat, Rose.
Boy can't talk to me like how uno talk to them. Me no run joke, uno
Rose,
dog.
Rose chat.
Boy, I'm also angry. Look a boy. Yo, figure it out. Where's it? I jump. Go kick off too, bad now. Go kick off too, bro. You see?
Oh God, Niah deserve that. Niah deserve that at all. Now wicked.
Listen to me good. Yes, when me we run it off and me know say you're mad. You say, Waka, bro. Waka, we do your things, dog. You need to be careful where you're there, yeah? Yes, when me we run it off. I'm a dead, I'm a tear.
Who is you?
Man charge. You say, if you call me name, Niah, call me name. Now the man name out here, mouth, brother. Oh, charge him, let me tell you something.
Waka, we do your things. I Waka kill him. That's why I understand Waka.
You see, anytime we hear say a drop out, you know see that. You see, anytime we hear say a drop out,
Instigate about you, boy.
anytime we hear say a drop out, bro, the place will go better.
MZ! Them you hear them, yeah? One MZ badness. Thank you so much.
You see, anytime we hear say drop out, Batty boy. Anytime we hear say drop out, bro, the place I got better. Can you not serve? You know make sense on the app. You not teach nobody. I pray for my dad. You serious, you know? You see him father and him say, I pray for my dad. Boy, remember me tell him, man, yeah? So how much time you gonna repeat that? What do you think them are gonna do? Sorry for you and give some more gift, no? Remember when you said that. I must say me garrison to you, yeah? Me garrison too. When me say that, you know, people are gonna say, oh, figure it out, Pia said that. You know what? Me could both figure it out, Ed. Cause all figure it out, Pia pray that for you. I know them style in Niah. Continue to say it, man. Probably we work for you. I know they could craft them, bro. Probably we work. You never know. You know? No, yes, yes. Them there. Yes, I figure it. I bet so today the last bumbuckler they come on TikTok and get yourself trouble. Right. I bet say that yourself. Me I give by December for us. Diddy.
I want if you hear it gun where my pump. Listen.
I bet so today the last
Listen gun.
They come on TikTok and get yourself trouble. Right. I bet say that yourself. Me I give by December for us. Diddy know why you are this be last year. Yourself, man. We're gonna blame, you know. We're gonna blame, man. Well, what's your son better? Snow Diddy or Diddy Snow? We are giving him now. Like we have 14 teeth. Snow Diddy or Diddy Snow?
See, blame them and them kill off Niah.
But me don't tell the people that already. One moment, the people. Then listen to me. Me come out, can't tell the people, man, not true. And the people still not kill him.
MV fucking
Bro, me can't buy them people up. You have to give up on them right now. Me can't buy them on TikTok, though. Them are people up on TikTok, they don't like you.
Yeah. And I that they want.
Look, let me tell the people,
I'm gonna tell you something. If I did a man, you know, don't think the police now come. We are Jamaica police still come for nothing.
Ivan, listen to me, Ivan.
My name bigger road in the
Ivan, you know, listen to me, Ivan. Let me talk. Then can't do nothing, no say that.
Oh. My name bigger than Niah.
Which other one there? You want to say one, which pine there?
Me don't know when they must be there in New York or Panama, one of them.
Dropping location, I will deal with him.
Oh. No, I can't remember my face. Next thing, then go do him something I used to me. Guys,
then me like them clout them, me like you famous clout them. So everybody knows how we do it, how we get hype.
No, I can't. Chat, flying jet and interstellar. No, I can't.
We don't take on that pints right now. One of them famous pints they want.
Hey, me glad me when blame me sick I want to take me streaks them. DJ Leo! DJ fucking Leo, thank you! That is it! One DJ Leo, thank you, my love. See that we are fully gallery. Me afraid that you know if you take threat lightly, blame them. So when I'm
no, we don't take threat lightly, dog. Them boy they can't.
When somebody threaten you, you're supposed to report it. Said that person that threaten you. So you see if the person not for do nothing, you know, them do it and somebody else can do something for them, you know. Thank you, baby. Report it so police know who sent threat to you.
Then the boy they can't threat me and then the boy they on the size. Then the boy they know say me mad. Then the boy they can't run certain joke with me. Me say puss. They know say for me. Right now that's right now them boy me take them boy they serious. Then they scheme them me send man for them. And I right now scheme them with them. Me send man go lick them up for the Niah.
Guys, we want 2 fireworks.
Yo, everybody send a rush.
Play hard. We want 2 fireworks, 1 work.
People,
hard,
no catch up speed. I'm not log you up my thing and that's why I come off a live youth. Everybody send a rush. Watch out, when you can't catch 24 years youth. What me they have to do with the junker. Everybody send a rush.
All of me rose gifters them, everybody big up, portappers. Guys, we now look on the Lion and the Uni, but we are going to stay up tonight for Phil. Work hard, play hard, 1 work hard, play hard, 1 interstellar, 1 party and 3 fireworks. Me not take no threat lightly, and then they threaten me at Jamaica, me have to run go Barbados for my life. Every time I fly at Jamaica, the man them flying to kill me.
Shoot on the chip in my team.
And them shoot me down a mega mart.
And them do it for Joe?
Yeah, them shoot me.
Oh, shit.
Them attack.
And them for Joe?
On the video before me, they got Jamaica way before me get
remember when they do it for Joe?
People like
Remember.
who know people
Remember
gunshot
for
and
sure when I them in an argument in the same time. I them do it for sure, remember.
triple chat.
I remember the call sit there
He
and tell
there
him.
on YouTube, you know, him boy
Ivany,
threatening me.
remember the call sit there and tell him and he tell you say, oh, okay, remember for sure. And the dog did call you and tell you say, I am. Yeah man, remember. Everybody's in a
They
room.
want to kill me off.
Everybody shoot
I
on
did
the
not
chat.
stop talk tonight. I know no go talk. Tonight me I go on YouTube. And me a scroll go weird
Remember
down.
say I same time you and them in a vibes.
And allegedly, so they what kind of allegedly and they on record.
Allen
So they
Jenner and
want,
Mama Crutch is a real
and
thing.
they on record so they want bomber club.
Yeah man, you never know say some people them tan. You never know say some people them tan. They very
Gloves,
very,
MZ, gloves.
my people them very unpredictable. How that one they feel.
A lot is going on, so you have to do the right thing, you know, my people, and subscribe to my channel because boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, what a thing. Anyway, people, we're not going to long out this no longer, you see me. Bless.